Merry Christmas covers. There's a set of 4, and they're 18 by 18, okay? So, first impressions, they are so festive. Look at that. Let's just flip them. They're so festive, bright, and ready to be set out straight like they're in a Hallmark movie. Okay, the colors are clean, prints are crisp, and they instantly give your space that I can decorate vibe. Okay, they're simple pillowcases. They're covers. There are no pillows in here. You have to add a pillow insert that is not included. Just so you know, there is a zipper. You input the insert and then zip back up. The operation is so simple, takes just a minute. I machine wash these, I hang to dry, and I fold and store for next season. They come clean beautifully, beautifully. The designs are bold and cheerful without being tacky. Classic reds, simple graphics, and a warm winter theme. What I like the soft fabric, and they do not feel cheap. The zipper is hidden, and it stays smooth and clean looking, transforming any room. I'm gonna put these on my bench on my porch. Final verdict, would I buy again? Absolutely. These are easy, they're affordable, and they're an easy way to switch out your seasonal decor. They make your living room, or in my case, my porch, feel intentionally festive without trying too hard. Perfect holiday upgrade. Perfect. So cute.